Welcome. Hi lovelies, how are you doing? So glad to have you here. If this is your first time, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, but mostly fashion. Today I am doing a review of the Louis Vuitton Vanity PM that I unboxed a few weeks ago. I have had time to see what actually will fit in this beautiful bag. If this is something that interests you, please stay tuned. So, I bought several things last month. It was my birthday month. I will link the video of this unboxing here that you see. That's a thumbnail. Sorry. Let's get back on track. So I did an unboxing and I had been seeing this gorgeous bag when it first came out. Really loved it. Really didn't like the price, but I broke down and I did purchase it. I think this is such a chic, cute little bag that you can dress up or you can dress down. I will use this bag as a probably like a dinner bag or going out to dinner, out somewhere. It does have a strap and you can wear it on your shoulder, crossbody, or you can just use the handle. I will discuss measurements after I show you what's actually in this bag. You would not imagine how much stuff you can get in this bag. I have a lot of things in this bag, so I want you guys to see. All right. I'm going to bring it down real quick so you can see everything that is in this bag. Okay, the first thing I have is hand sanitizer. And if you guys did not see my video on this, I will link that as well. Please just take a look at that so you can protect your investments. I have my iPhone, and this is the 11 Max Pro or whatever it's called. Okay. I have my sunglasses. Okay. I have my card holder. Okay, my Louis Vuitton Recto Verso. I also did an unboxing on that you could see as well. I will also link that. I have a little Louis Vuitton sampler perfume. I have my AirPods with the case. And my Chanel O case. I think that's what this is called. All of this fit in here. I was really happy with all of that. I wasn't sure how much actually I could get in this bag, but I was pleasantly surprised, and I'm really happy with the things I can get in there. I think you can get in your essentials just fine. So if this is something you have been looking at, but you're like, oh, I don't know really how I can use that and what I can put in it, it's really, really chic, I think, and it does a lot. It's so cute. I was so excited about that. Let's discuss the dimensions of this bag, because I did take them so you could see the sizes. All right, I had to write these down so I would remember. The strap, okay, from clip to clip is 42.5 inches. All right. For me, I did my shots for you guys, and it did fine with me crossbody. I'm about 5'4" and a half. Okay. So that is the chain strap length. This is 8 inches across. So from here to here is 8 inches. From the top of the bag on the inside, because you see that you still kind of have a little room in there, to the bottom is 5.5 inches deep. Okay. What I like about this is even at, you know, the top, it is full. It's still got some room left here because you still kind of have that opening. So you could still, if you needed to squeeze like a few more things in there, I think you could. All right. So what do I think about this bag? I just really love it. I'm so glad I bought it. I hope this was helpful for someone who is on the fence about this, wondering if you should pull the cord or not and get it. I'm not going to say if you should or shouldn't, because I'm a bad influence. I really am. I'm a bad influence. But if you are thinking about it and you Googled and you just wanted to see a review, I give it a thumbs up. I think it's beautiful. Love the detail. Love the chain strap. Love the LV on the tag. I think everything about this bag is just delicious, just cute. Okay. So if this is your first time here, and if you like my content, I would ask that you would please subscribe. Like this video. I'm trying to grow my family. I would love to have you. I'm excited because this is my 20th video. 20 videos. I started in March. No, I'm sorry. I started in May. And I am at 120 subscribers, which is so exciting to me because I started with 0. So I want to thank you guys so much for the love, for the positive comments, and for subscribing. And yes, I just thank you, and I just love you all. So anyway, I will stop rambling. Please be careful, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.